Shri Matre Namaha Guru Kataksham Ambalanakram Paripurnam. Welcome to this third part video of Mantra Matraka Pushpamala Sthavam. I have already completed 2-part videos and I have completed 5 stanzas with a deeper meaning. This Mantra Matraka Pushpamala Sthavam, if you want to know deeper meaning, you start from the first part. And this Mantra Matraka Pushpamala Sthavam is like offering Shodashopachara Puja as a Manasika Puja. So in the previous second part video, we had completed the Abhishekam and Vastram, which means the Abhishekam has been done and the Vastram, the cloth, has been adorned, offered to Ambal internally. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through from the 6th stanza, which starts with offering various ornaments to Ambal. The first kuta of Panchadashakshari mantra is completed by 5th stanza. From the 6th stanza, the Madhya Kuta starts. So let us start and understand the deeper meaning of Mantra Matraka Pushpamala Sthavam, the 6th stanza. This stanza is very powerful because each ornament which is being offered to Ambal is the way of we attuning ourselves to the abundance, to the energy of abundance. So if you are going through some struggles, by chanting this stanza, it is going to help you to raise your energy, raise your vibration, and in that you will be able to transform your life. You will see that you are able to handle your challenges and you are able to attract opportunities into your life. So let us understand this 6th stanza. Most important, if you are interested in going deeper into Shakti Path, I am conducting a free online workshop which is Shakti Awakening with the power of Lalita Sahasranamam. I have given a WhatsApp group link below this video. You can join the group where I'll be sharing the details of the upcoming workshop which you can attend and go deeper into Shakti Sadhana. Now let us start with the 6th stanza. Hamsairapyati lobhani yagamane haravali mujvalam hindoladhyuti hira purita tare हेमांगदे कंकणे मंजीरो मणिकुंडले मुकुटमप्यर्धेन्दु चूडामणिम् नासामौक्तिकमङ्गुलीयकटकौ काञ्चीमपि स्वीकुरु. It starts with the Bijakshara Ha. So this is the next set of Bijakshara. So it says Hamsairapi Ati Lobhaniya Gamane. This word we can refer to even the similar meaning from Lalita Sahasranamam, which is Marali Mandagamanaye Namaha. Marali is the swan. Here it is starting with Hamsa. Hamsa is the swan. It says Ambal is the one who is so graceful, has a graceful gait. It is so attractive, enchanting, that even swans feel shy about their gait. So Hamsairapi Ati Lobhaniya Gamane. So you have to visualize Ambal walking towards you. And the way she walks, it's so enchanting. And if you look at a very deeper meaning of the swan has the ability to separate milk from water. So if a milk is kept, the swan drinks only the milk, leaving the water. So it has that ability. Here, the deeper meaning is like the swan. Actually, swan is a symbol of discrimination, viveka. The viveka is the power to separate the truth from illusion. So this reveals her Ambal's movement. It is not just the beauty, but it is the truth. It is the revelation of Shakti, which is in motion, which means the illusion that is there within us will dissolve and we will be able to start seeing the truth. That is the deeper meaning. The next word is Haravalim Ujvalam. Hara is Avali's sequence. Hara is sequence of necklaces. The radiant Ujvalam is radiant. The radiant necklaces. So Ambal is wearing radiant necklaces, and actually you should visualize you offering the radiant necklaces to Ambal. Then the next word is Hindola Dhyuti Hira Purita Tare. Hindola is swing, which means this hara, this necklaces, the sequence of necklaces are filled with diamonds, which is sparkling. which is like swinging, like the sparkle, the light, it's like swing. There is motion of light, oscillating light. So because when Ambal is walking, there is movement, and that movement is creating that Hindola Dyuti. That movement is giving that oscillating light. Then Hemangade. Hemangade is golden armlets, which is worn in the on the arms. Kankane. Kankana is the bracelet that is being used. Hemangade, Kankane. Then Manjira. Manjira is the anklets that you wear at the feet. There's a powerful story of Golus, the anklet of Mata Lalitambika in Tirumechur. I have done a detailed video. I'll be sharing the video below this video. You can go through, which signifies the power of anklets. And then Mani Kundale. Kundala is the ear ring. So Mani Kundala is filled with that ear rings that are studded with precious gems. Then Makutamapi, which means the crown. Ardendu Chudamanim. The crown, which is being, there is a half moon, the crescent moon is being bejeweled on the crown. Nasa Mauktikam, which means there is a nose ring, which is made of Mauktika, the pearl. Again, there is similar namam in Lalita Sahasranamam, which is Nasa Bharana Bhasura, which means her Nasa Bharana. Nasa Abharana. Nasa means nose. Abharana is ornament. So the ornament that is worn on the nose is so powerful that it beats the stars. So Nasa Bharana Bhasura. Anguliya Katakau, which means Anguli is the fingers, finger rings. And then Kanchi Mapi Swikuru. Kanchi is the waistband, the golden waistband. Swikuru, kindly accept. So this is the meaning of each word of the sixth stanza of Mantra Matrika Pushpamala Stavam. So this is the next upachara, which is to offer abharana. We say Lalitambikaaya Namaha Abharanani Samarpayami. So for abharana there are various kinds of abharana. Sarvalankara Bhushita, that's what Ambal is called. So we offer her necklace that blazes with light, the armlets of gold, bangles which are filled with diamonds, that is, swinging like a pendulum, like a swing. The bangles are swinging because when you have to visualize that Ambal is walking towards you. So that's the reason the gate, we have to remember that movement means it is the movement that is going to happen in your life. If your life is stagnant, you need movement. By chanting this stanza, by visualizing Ambal having this movement and the ornaments in our body, each movement is a creation, it's a manifestation, energy, the vibration that you need to tap. Then there is crown. You have to visualize offering Ambal a crown where a crescent moon is there, and then offering nose ring, offering earrings studded with diamonds and precious gems, offering the finger rings, offering her the anklet. Now close your eyes and visualize you offering each ornament to Ambal as you chant this stanza. Because at the end it says Swikuru, Kanchimapi Swikuru. Swikuru is Amma, please accept. So no matter who you are, don't think you don't have anything. You can visualize this, that you're offering all these jewels to Ambal, which means you are rich, you are wealthy, you are powerful, no matter who you are. Now Hindola, the oscillation of Ambal's jewels, it is the oscillation between the creation and dissolution. And her anklets which creates the sound, again, that is the sound of creation. The nada from which everything has come. And the Matrika Shakti, there are Matrikas, which is the syllables from which the mantra comes, from which every creation has taken place and is taking place. So this stanza is not just offering Ambal the ornaments, it is a revealing path to decorate her with devotion, which will purify your action, which will stabilize your energy. And you should also visualize, you're able to hear the sound of Ambal's anklets. When you are able to do that, your ego will melt, your heart will soften. This is the moment where you will stop worshipping and you will start becoming, because you're experiencing Ambal's presence within you when you are adorning Ambal with various jewels internally. So, this is the sixth stanza, which is offering the ornaments. Let us move on to the seventh stanza. सर्वांगे घनसार कुङ्कुम घन श्रीगन्ध पङ्काङ्कितम् कस्तूरी तिलकं च फालफलके गोरोचनापत्रकम् गण्डादर्शनमण्डले नयनयोर्दिव्याञ्जनं तेञ्चितम् कण्टाब्जे मृगनाभिपङ्ककमलं त्वत्प्रीतये कल्पताम्. Seventh stanza starts with the Bijaksharam Sa. So this is the second Bijaksharam in the Madhyakuta. So Abhishekam is over, which is Snanam is over, Vastra Samarpanam is over, Abharana Samarpanam is over. Now it is about offering the Sugandha Dravyas to Ambal. Sarvange means the divine limb. Ghana Sara Kunkuma Ghana Shrigandha Pankankitam. Shrigandha is the sandal paste, pure kunkum, which has rich sacred fragrances. This is a paste which is being adorned, anointed on Ambal. Kasturi Tilakam. A tilakam has been kept using the kasturi, a musk, as a tilakam. Bhala Phalaki. Bhala Phalakam is on the forehead. Phalam is the forehead. So Bhala Phalake on the forehead. Nayana yor divyanjanam tenchitam. Nayana is the eyes. So Anjana is the kajal. So divyanjanam tenchitam. I am adorning you with the kajal in your beautiful eyes. Kantabje, which means kanta is the neck. Mriganabhi pankam amalam, which means a pure musk of paste is applied on Ambal's neck. Tvat pritaye kalpatam. So may all these Sugandha Dravyas offered to you delight you, please you. If you look at each Sugandha Dravyas, these Dravyas are the one which are pure, which are for purification. Which means when you are visualizing offering these to Ambal, you are purifying yourself. And not only that, if you take the Gandham, Kunkuma, all these are cooling agents. So these Dravyas cools the inner agitation. And when that inner agitation is calmed down, then the purification of emotions starts happening. You are telling Ambal, I am applying sandal paste mixed with karpuram, saffron, kunkumam to apply on your body. I have the musk kasturi tilaka to be applied on your forehead. I have gorochana paste to apply on your beautiful cheeks, and I have the kajal to apply on your beautiful eyes, and I have a thick paste of musk to apply on your neck, and I offer all this to please you. Now the eighth stanza starts with Ka. This is the next Bijaksharam in this Madhyakuta. Kalharotpala mallika maruvakaihi sauvarna pankeruhaihi jati champaka malati vakulakair mandara kundadibhihi केतक्याकर वीरकैर् बहुविधैः क्लुप्ताश्रुजो मालिकाः संकल्पेन समर्पयामि वरदे संतुष्टये गृह्यताम्. Now this stanza starts with Ka as the Bijaksharam of Panchadashakshari mantra, and this stanza is about offering the pushpam. Next, Upachara. There are various pushpam, various kinds of flowers that is being offered. Kalhara, Utpala, Mallika, Maruvaka. Kalhara is like various kinds of lotus, blue lily. Mallika is the jasmine. Maruvaka is again one kind of flower. Sauvarna Pankeruhaihi, which means Sauvarna is a gold. Pankeruha is the lotus, the golden lotus. Then Jati, Champaka, Malati, Vakulaka Again, all these are various kinds of flowers. Jati is Jati, Jadi Mallipu, Champaka, and then Malati, and then Vakula, and then Mandara flowers, then Kunda flowers, and various kind of Adibihi and other various fragrant flowers. Ketakya Karavirakai, again Ketaki flower, Karavira flowers, it is also called Talampu, Talehun Kannada, various kinds of flowers. Kluptaha Sruja Malikaha, which means these flowers are beautifully prepared like a beautiful garland. Sankalpena Samarpayam, which means with pure intention, I am offering this mala to you, Amma. Varade Santushtaye Grihyatam. Bestow me with your grace. Santushtaye Grihyatam. Accept this happily from me. So this is the 8th stanza of offering Pushpam as one of the upacharas. Again, if I have done a detailed video in Lalita Sahasranama Phalashruti, Hayagriva gives Agastya the instructions of what all the flowers that you must offer to Ambal when you are offering puja. I have done a detailed video of various flowers explaining all these flowers in detail. You can go through that video so that you can understand the various kinds of flowers that you can use to offer puja to Ambal. Now this is internal offering, internal manasika puja, which is the Mantra Matrika Pushpamala Sthavam. So even if you are not able to offer flowers, just visualize you offering these flowers to Amba. And this flower is not only as a garland, the string of flower is also adorned on Ambal's hair, which signifies the auspiciousness. Let's meet with the 9th stanza in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Guru Kataksham Ambalanugraham Paripurnam Shri Matre Namaha.